Now we are going to start with the next topic, which is if then else statements. In addition to using if statements to do something when a condition is met which is true, we can also use if statements to do something when a condition is not true. The trick here is to use an if then else statement, which essentially says if something is true, then do this or else do that. Let's create an if then else statement using the Python shell. Now we'll run this command marks is equal to 25. If the marks is equal to 35 colon, print passed. Now we are adding few more lines for else. So else colon print failed. So here the condition is marks is equal to 25, which is less than 35. So it will print this message failed, because we have set the marks variable to 25 and the condition is asking whether marks is equal to 35. You should see the print message on the screen. Now let's try changing the value of marks to a number other than 25, like this. Marks is equal to 35. If marks is equal to 35 colon, in print statement we put passed, else we'll put failed in the print statement. So here this time you should see the another print message which is passed. Now the next topic is if and Elif statements. So what is Elif? Elif, which is short for else if. Now we can see the Elif example by running this program. Age is equal to 12. If age is equal to 10, print what do you like? Again I am putting the print statement a blueberry. Now we will use the Elif statement. Elif age is equal to 11 colon print what do you like, and again I am putting apple in the print statement, print apple. Now the next condition is Elif age equal to 12 colon print what do you like, and again I am putting watermelon in the print statement, print watermelon. And at the last I am putting else colon print mango. Now our answer is what do you like? Watermelon. In this example, the if statement on the second line checks to see if the value of the age variable is equal to 10 at 1. The print statement that follows at 2 is run if age is equal to 10. However, since we have set age equal to 12, the computer jumps to the next if statement at 3 and checks if the value of age is equal to 11. It is not so the computer jumps to the next if statement at 4 to see if age is equal to 12. It is so this time the computer executes the print command at 5. Now I will give you one homework, and it will be like the programming puzzles. So try the following puzzles using if statement and conditions. So the first one is, are you rich question mark? What do you think the following code will do? Try to figure out the answer without typing it into the shell and check your answer. Money is equal to 2000 if money is greater than 1000 colon print I am rich, else print I am not rich, and print but I might be later. So here we are using two print statement in else statement. So try running this program and check the output. I hope you have understood about this if, else and Elif statement.